Alright, I'm Henry. I'll be giving you a brief intro on econometrics. I'll be showing you the simpler way in which you can solve your econometrics problem. Do wait to subscribe on this channel, like and click on your subscribe button. Thank you very much. So let's go. I'll be taking you on this introduction. I'll be dealing with the meaning, the branches, and the model and the type of model in econometrics. Now, when we talk about the meaning of econometrics, now you must understand that the word econometrics is actually derived from this Greek word. Econometrics is derived or coined from the word oikonometric. I come again, oikonometrics is a Greek word in which, by the time you slash it, is actually a combination of two words, which are oikono, which means economic, and then we have the metrics, which talks about measurement. Now, in a literal way of defining it, or literally you can define it as a measurement of an economic, But you know, as a student, you need to define it in a way that is more comprehensive. So we can say econometrics can be defined as the integration or the combination of determinists. When we talk about determinists, we talk about mathematical. That's what we're talking about. So we can say it's the combination of determinist economics, inferential statistics, and economic theory in analyzing and solving economic problems. In other words, we use something called mathematical economics. We use something called inferential statistics. We use something called economic theory in analyzing and solving economic problems. So that is what econometrics basically is all about. Now, when we talk about branches of econometrics, you must understand that we have two main branches of econometrics, which are, number one, we call it applied econometrics, and then number two, we have the theoretical econometrics. These are the main branch of econometrics. Now, if you are talking about applied, I help you to break it down in a way that you can easily comprehend it. When you talk about applied econometrics, what does it talk about? I said is the application of econometric theory to solving practical economics theory. So it is you just making use of economic theory. You are actually applying it. It's the application of economic theory to solve practical economic theory. So it is why you apply this economic theory in solving practical economic theory. That is you making use of applied econometrics. And then we also have the theoretical economics. It talks about you making use of various methods in economic analysis. We have various methods. For instance, now we have 8 stages, because you must understand that we have this thing called theory. Now, theory does not just come like that. There are stages theory pass through in order for it to be called theory. So there are 8 stages. So theoretical economy is talking about the stages in which economic problem will pass through in order for us to solve an economic problem. That's what we call economic theory. So the stages, and there are about 8 stages. Then watch the next video, and then I'll be sharing with you the model and type of model. Thank you. Do wait to like, click, and subscribe.